Yes.
Yes.
What's really pointing that thing?
Shut up.
You'll stop me from doing it.
No, you'll be alright.
I'll get you first.
We're defending that place. Yeah, this is a very good place to hide.
What, in the crater?
Yes, well, when you're hiding from cover. Not to hide as in, I need to get away, as in, they won't find me, but to hide as in, they aren't going to be able to hit me.
So where are you came from? How?
I don't know.
How are you capable of this?
Guys, you need to be down here. Spread out in line with this yellow tape.
Thanks very much, baby. Love you.
Of this yellow tape?
Yep. So between this yellow tape and that yellow tape is the boundary. Anywhere up to and including the black netting.
Right,
Inside the building.
are we?
We can. In the tyres again, remember?
We've fucked that, we ain't going to know.
Remember, they come from that direction.
Yeah, I know.
They come from our right. Yeah, so that way.
Yeah, they're going to come from there. Oh, shit. Yes, we could. But, shit, ow. Yeah, I'm 100% going to need heals after this.
Well, we can't med you, can we?
No, not like as in the game. I mean.
In this one, when you thought you're out of the next part. Yeah.
Right. Ooh.
We've got no pieces.
No, we don't have peakies, but we do have this.
Oh, can somebody, can I have a leg up here?
Are you even allowed up there?
Yes.
No, we're good.
Thank you.
No, we're straight dead.
I tell you something, if that works,
That works.
credit to you, my friend.
It's worked before.
Credit to you.
Yes.
God save you. In fact, do you know what?
This is quite a good place to stay in anyway.
Ah.
They're going to run past one with
underneath.
me, and then you
Then he's going to...
See what I've done? I don't know how fully pressed it.
Are you allowed to do armour?
Yeah, of course. Yeah, because... Exactly.
I guess we can get the corner.
If I can hold underneath of it.
I'll try not to collapse it. Yeah, just try
Yeah. Try not to move too much.
yeah, that's actually a good idea. I'll try and keep
I might sit at the net, actually, up here. Oh, wait, I might...
defensive position.
Hello, can I?
Oh, game on.
No, I need it for hiding. Ooh! I will have this and cartridge.
Thank you very much.
Take the cartridge.
Right, well, game's on, so...
Yes, please. I'll throw it at someone. Should I just like throw it if they come in? Just be like, you would never know where that came from. I don't know if this will work. I'm a bit taller when I after it. Wait. What a quick one pass. Can you see?
Yeah, Hayden.
Yeah, no, you can't. They won't see you if they're just darting through. Yeah.
That's a really good spot.
Judging by this, don't talk to him. He's not there.
Yeah, don't look at me or talk to me.
Yes. You're being shot at. Right, okay. Oh shit. Oh no. Hello there. They're on the far, at the top of that hill, look. Oh, fuck this. Woo! Bullets either emitted from that photographer or someone is behind them.
Yeah, he's in a photographer. The
You cheating bastard. Oh, right. Oh, yeah. Top of the hill, top of the hill, top of the hill. Where the photographer is now.
Yeah, there's someone at the train.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, I see him, yeah. Oh, it's someone coming up now.
Right.
Yeah, on the
We're
right.
gonna light
Someone
them.
just walking.
Light them before up.
Yeah, surely you got him now.
Surely.
I thought I peppered like
Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa! This net up here. This net up here.
Hang on. Get down.
Yeah, I see them.
Right next to that big wooden wall on the right, poking at the tree.
Yeah, I see him. And they're shooting at us. Shit, this isn't easy, is it?
No.
Welcome to hell, boys.
It's a shame we're not allowed to do this on it. Oh, it's a
Yeah,
shame.
no. Get down, there's a sniper. Sniper aiming at us, be careful. Ooh. Was that a weapon hit?
Yeah.
Shout weapon hit.
Weapon hit!
If you look at the board,
Oh yeah.
there's a tree and he's just stood right next to it.
Yeah, I got
And he's aiming right at us.
Where? There's like a load
Right,
of
come here.
people here.
Use this crack, he's by the board
Oh,
and aiming directly at us.
yeah. There's loads of people coming from right side.
By the right, oh fuck
Yeah,
right.
well, the left is, we've got a sniper.
Yeah, we're pinned, being watched by a sniper.
Put your head over and just...
I did that. I did that and the weapon got hit.
And I've got an idea. You know your helmet?
Yeah.
Put your gun up,
Yeah.
Put it in
put
the barrel.
on top of it and poke it over and see if he shoots at it. We'll identify where it is.
That's what I did. I peeked up like that.
That's a good idea.
Yeah. You put your helmet on the end of the barrel.
That's a good idea. Let's do
Like
that.
World War One tactics.
Fuck it, yeah, come on then.
Yeah, do it slowly. Oh, head down. You need a bit over the down.
Head down.
Yeah,
Yeah, once you get hit. Head down. Shoot it. We're having a go.
As if.
Is this going on YouTube?
Yes.
What's your channel?
YesiveR.
YesiveR.
YesiveR. YesiveR.
Tell me at the end.
Yes,
I'll subscribe.
Thank you. Yes.
Oh, there's something like hit the helmet.
Thank you.
It's like, that's not me.
We should get a bagpipe and just do some World War One stuff. Do that.
Oh shit.
Yeah, I think we should like start focusing now.
Oh, yeah, definitely.
Yeah, otherwise we're going to
Okay, so they were trying for
I
it.
think this microphone.
I guarantee if you poke your head up now though, we can get...
Oh yeah, definitely. Just because I ain't got the helmet on.
The thing is, Ollie, you're doing that, but missing the red tube holding it.
Oi, if we get hit through these gaps, that counts.
No.
You can't fit your head through it. Oh, hang on, he's moving.
It's up to you because I'm trying to sort out my chin strap.
Hit.
Shit.
They're both hit. 2 guys hit.
The sniper hit.
I doubt it.
2 guys hit. We're good.
Oh, ghillie suit. Okay,
Yeah,
nice.
Sniper.
Yeah, give me 2
There's
guys.
still someone else there behind the wooden thing.
Oh yeah, I see. Oh, this net. Get down.
I'll see it.
Oh no, this net dude's been hit. He's been hit.
Same dude still chilling behind the wooden thing.
Behind the tree, just on
Way!
On the right.
Fucking hell, the BB is stuck in the wood.
that was close enough.
Yes, it was. Oh.
Yes.
Great. Oh, this bending over is going to kill my back.
Just testing it, man. Yeah, my posture is terrible.
Yeah, I know. How many subscribers? Well, I used to be a Minecraft streamer, so
Oh yeah.
not many. I've only got like 12, 10 I think. Oh shit.
I'll look at the video from today.
Sorry?
Be sick to see the video from today.
No, there's going to be several. Each match is going to be a different video.
Oh yeah.
Because, well, they've all been a decent...
Oh, hang on.
decent length.
Right now.
Whee!
Yeah, nice one. Wait,
Nice.
wait, there's more of them. Shoot, no.
Oh, weapon hit!
Oh, hey, get to regen, bro.
There isn't a regen. Oh god, the wall.
Right behind the
wall.
wall.
No, there. Right.